Hi guys, it's your girl Sophia, and today I have this Brilliant Skin CEO Quad Glow Kit or set. These are 4 of them, and as you can see, wala na siya sa box or sa packaging because I have been using this for the past 3 weeks, more than 3 weeks. It's currently February 9 and I purchased this on Shopee in January and it arrived in January 15, 2022. And I did an unboxing video on this, so I'll just insert this later. But this is the set look, guys. Grabing pink na pink niya. Ito actually, ito yung pinakagamit na kasi tingnan nyo guys. Ando na siya pinakagulo kasi this is the cleanser, this is the main one that I use to cleanse my face every night and morning. So twice a day yung cleansing. And these 3 are also essential, but you can see that the micellar water has a lot pa, and I'll discuss each of these one in a bit. But for today, we're going to be reviewing this whole product as a set, and also I'm going to tell you guys what I don't like about this product, what I recommend you to do with this product, and if this set is worth buying in general. And also, this is not a sponsored video, so all of these, lahat na sasabihin ko ay all my opinions about this set. But to give a quick background, actually, I've been using Brilliant Skin products for the past almost a year kasi I started in April 2021 with a rejuvenating set, which is this one, and I also made a video about that. I'll be linking it in the description. And also, I made a video about the Brilliant Skin whitening set, the new one and the old one, which I also made a comparison video. And these are all not sponsored. I have just been using Brilliant Skin kasi maganda siya. And now I have this. Ito, try natin to. Na-try ko na pala. Okay, now let's start with the unboxing. Okay, now na na-unbox na siya, let's talk about the price. This set, I bought it actually for 750 pesos in Shopee, which is kind of pricey if you compare it to the other set, like the whitening set, which is 350, and the rejuvenating set, which is also 350. Well, it ranges from 300 to 350, depende sa reseller, but I know it's around that range rin. But this one, I bought it in an official Shopee Mall store. Brilliant Skin Shopee Mall reseller. Basta it's here, and also I'll insert the link down below. And actually, noong una nga, I'm very hesitant to buy this because it's 750. Pwede ko naman bilhin yung maintenance set na isa pa, which is the whitening set. I've been using that for the past few months na rin, from May to November, before I started using the rejuvenating set again last December. Pero ito kasi yung reason, guys, bakit ko siya napili. Itong serum na to, which is gusto ko matry what a serum feels like in my face because I haven't used that in my face. I usually just use bar soap, toner, and a cream. I don't use serums. So let's start with each of the components of this Quad Glow set. Starting with the foaming facial cleanser, which is the most used product out of this set, my most used product. It's 50 ml, guys, and actually nalitan ako nung una ko siya nakita kasi meron akong nakita ganito na separate na binibili sa physical store sa mga na nakita namin in RFC Molino, which is malaki siya, and yun naman 350 yun. Well, ito kasama siya sa set, which is 750, so sulit na rin. It has this protective cover that you can remove by just pinching this one, pinching and pulling it like that. And then para lumabas yung product, kailangan mo siya i-squeeze ng ganun, which is hindi ko na gaano ma-squeeze kasi tingnan nyo guys, paubos na talaga. Simot na talaga. Pero usually 2 or 3 pinch lang, tapos pwede ko na ilagay sa ganyan sa face ko, tapos ganun na scrub. And I do that for around a minute to 2. And minsan, pag na-irritate ako, kasi minsan, nakakainis to guys, itong plastic na to. Sure, hindi siya plastic, it's more like rubber. My bad, it's not plastic, it's more like rubber. Pero pag nalagay sa space ng ganyan, and minsan naiinis ako kasi it feels hard sometimes. I just put the foam here, at saka ko siya gaganunin with these 2 fingers. Ito lang foam na to, you can expect na ang bilis niya mauubos. Like, ito na agad siya, 3 weeks pa lang. Usually siguro dahil I click it like 3 times, 4 times. Minsan kasi pag 2 times lang, tapos nilagay ko dito, hindi siya sapat or like kulang siya. So, ang trick pala dyan guys, pipindutin nyo muna 1, just 2. Tapos, saka nyo siya, ayun, may namabas na 1, plus 2. Tapos, saka nyo siya ilalagay dyan. Tapos, lagay nyo muna. Bago nyo scrub. Kasi pag skin scrub nyo na agad, mauubos siya talaga. But before that pala, this Micellar water, Micellar Deep Cleansing Water, which is said to remove makeup, cleanses, and purifies the skin. I use this when removing makeup. Eh, hindi naman ako araw-araw nagme-makeup sa bahay. Or sometimes I interchange this. Minsan ito mauuna, and minsan ito na lang. Usually ito na lang ginagamit kong cleanser because I don't use makeup every day. Pero this one is very nice. Actually, it's also my first time using a micellar water because hindi ako bumibili ng ganun kahit sa Watsons lang. Pero when I use this, it's kind of, ano ba, hindi siya mahapdi pero hindi rin siya super gentle sa face. Ano siya, meron siya parang hot factor sa una, pero hindi siya magtatagal. Like, mabilis lang pagpahid mo ng cotton pad sa ganyan. Meron ka mararamdaman na parang spark. Ano, di parang may hapti na na parang tinatanggal yung bacteria or something. Pero once naman nabandawan mo siya, it's okay. It's nice and it really removes makeup, which is nice. If I have makeup on like right now, since eyeshadow, this is color pink, I put it on the cotton bud. And then, ano muna na matagal. And then, siya kasi spread, which is makeup remover nga talaga. Next, we have these two, which are very cute. This is for night, this is for morning, this is the facial serum, and this is the sunscreen. Let's go to the sunscreen muna. I like how the packaging is really nice kasi yung dati nilang sunscreen na alam ko is yung nasa bilog, tapos kailangan mo pa i-spoon para ganon. Which is good rin naman, pero kasi ito, mas okay na to, you can just put it here on your hand, or pwede na nga i-diretso eh. Tapos tsaka mo siya ulit, and tsaka ilagay. Next, we have this serum, which is pink, and I didn't expect it to be this small, pero it works nice. Pindutin mo muna para may makuha siya sa loob, tapos ayan, here. This is the serum. When you put it on your face, left, right, up, and down, nalagay ko siya gently, tapos spread your fingers gently, to somehow massage your face. And actually, the first time ko siyang ginamit, nanibago ko kasi usually cream ginagamit ko, and kapag serum, etong serum na to mismo, parang siya sumisikip yung face mo, parang nagta-tighten yung face na parang kinocontract yung full face mo na parang ganun siya somehow. Which is ang weird no feeling, pero after 10 minutes or a few minutes, mararamdaman mo na grabe ang smooth nung face kahit meron pa akong pimples. As you can see naman guys, I don't have clear skin. I don't have the clearest skin at all. But after using this, when I touch my face, it feels really so smooth. How many drops do I put? Usually pag binubuksan ko, meron na agad nandito yan eh. 1 drop for here, another for here, another sa taas, another sa taas. Nakita ko sa ibang serum, pero hindi na to brilliant skin. Nakita ko sa ibang skincare routine na you need to shake it. Pero I don't shake it actually, because the serum does look nice na kahit hindi mo pa siya i-shake. Pero minsan na rin siya ni-shake ko. Oof. Wala, hindi, ginaganto ka lang, pero hindi ganito shake guys ha. Ganyang shake.
Now, here are some selfies for my comparison photo for my before, during, and after results. Yung before, di ko gaano na picturean kasi January-ish pa siya. Although this is January 22, it's like the 3rd week or 2nd week of me using. I don't have makeup in all of these selfies, so yan guys, comparison. This is now April 9, 2022, after nearly 4 months of me using this set. Comparing the two photos, as you can see guys, mas naging glowing yung face ko and mas naging less red siya. I still have pimples because I do have very acne-prone skin, pero mas controlled na siya ngayon and less red na siya. Mas glowing rin in a way na mas nag-brighten yung face ko. And I still do have acne scars kasi hindi naman talaga agad-agad nawawala yan, pero less visible na siya. The good things that I noticed is that my face became more softer, it became more glowing, more brightened, and less acne breakouts. Kahit may pimples pa ako, nawawala rin naman siya in a few days. Hindi lang gaano agad-agad, siguro dahil na rin sa skin type ko kasi very acne prone nga ako and very oily. Ayun rin, naging less oily siya. And medyo mas fresh yung face ko kapag lumalabas. What I don't like about this set is that ang bilis niya maubos, yung cleanser super bilis maubos, and walang toner sa set na to. Merong micellar water guys, but that doesn't act as a toner. So gumagamit pa ako ng ibang toner para lang gamitin sa face ko after gamitin yung cleanser, which is Brilliant Skin rin galing, pero dapat meron na siya sa set, I think. Well, di naman siya ganong kalaking kawala because the set is still useful, but I hope they added a toner. Would I recommend this guys? Yes, I would definitely recommend this set to you guys, pero I think if you want to start out with the maintenance set muna, I think mas maganda na gamitin nyo muna yung whitening set, which is mas mura. It's around 350 pesos, which is also a maintenance set na Brilliant Skin. Pero if you want a quad glow set, I really recommend this guys.
So ayun guys, again, this is not a sponsored video. This is just a video about me and my review, my thoughts on this product. Thank you so much for watching. If you like more content like this, please give this video a thumbs up. And I do have other Brilliant Skin videos. If you want to watch that, go ahead and watch that. And see if you like my content and decide if you want to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Always remember, be the kind. Bye!